G'day ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another Full Beans Network video. We're on an $80 Coles phone, so that's why it looks like ass. What we're doing today, which you cannot see very well, is... where is it? You see that? That no good. So, we're fixing that. Because, oh my god, the chassis all torn up. So, we're going to give her a bit of a weld to see if we can fix all that. This top mount snapped off too, so we're going to weld that back down. And then we're going to go wheeling and see if I successfully fixed it. Fuck yeah. On this side, we're going to weld that washer onto the chassis. Oh yeah, she is not moving. The wheel is, but not the steering box. Now I'm just going to weld up that huge gap in my chassis. Ha! Alright guys, well we got her all welded up. It doesn't seem to move anywhere. And even got the power steering working, because power steering pump was loose, don't tell anyone. But I also filled up the fluids. So now it is time to give her some torture testing and make sure it works in the trails. Next stop, full driving. Here we go. Woo, we're out here. Yeah, cool. It's all happened. Got a big 80 out there. Got the big fucking riggifs. Let's go. Into the low range. We go. Whoa! I forgot I was pointing that way. Alrighty. Well, and nothing's happening. Let's do something. So this is more torture testing for the big surfer. That's the way you go. The big surfy, that's for damn sure. That is 2-inch lift-off, I think, and 33s on that 4-arm. And the surfy just ate it like nothing, like every other time. Mad. Alright, let's find something else cool. Oh, he's going down the hill. Look at him go. Down the hill. Wow, where'd that come from? The big surfy. Now we've got no alternator connected, so we're watching our volts. And we should be sweet. Alrighty. Woo. Wheeling. Oh, I love wheeling. Gotta hit that left track, cuzzy. Left! Where you going, cunt? You're going the wrong way. Hey! Where you going? You're going the wrong track. I'll hit that one. Whatever. We'll go this way. Oh, she's getting a bit of flex up the fucking yellow. I'll just walk through here. I don't know how Mitch is going to do in his fucking nav though. Oh, left-handed wheeling. Fun, fun. This is POV, cuz. Got you right at my mouth of... Oh, see how worried about this big camera that they've got set up. Oh, he done it. He done it. Oh, I'm in second still. Got a bit of flexiness there. Alrighty. I got the music playing. I want to hear you scream. Ah! Don't copyright me. I'll turn it down, alright? Be happy. Alright, what is next? What is next? Wonder how Mitchy went going up that hill. He's no longer behind us. It's me! Oh. So I think this box I got must have reduction gears, because that's second gear. And she can go pretty slow in second. Like, holy. Oh, we'll hit them later. Yeah, a couple of good lines in there we'll hit. Let's... Oh yeah, he wants to see if he can get up this hill in Big Yellow, eh? Oh, Mitch must be back. Saw a light bar. Is he gonna do it? Not a chance, Buzzy. Gotta make sure I'm ready to back up if need be. More Jandal! Oh, you want the run up? Alright. I'm getting that around run up. Oh shit, there's a car behind me. I did not see him, but he saw me. Yes. Will he make it? He will not make it. It took me like backing right up in there, snapping third there to get up that in the surfy. I like to... Yeah, I reckon. I like to think that I was the one to curate that line. I like to think that indeedy. Oh, he's still coming. Oh. Gotta get the action. Nah, flexing out. Flexing out! Do you want me to have a go, mate? Otherwise you... Alright, my turn. Alright, let's see how we go. What? Oh, alright, they're going to record.
This is Jimmy trying it out. Let's go, Jimmy.
Ah, give up. Let's roll backwards. Yes, rolling. Yes, rolling. So the reason I didn't make it up first try is I was just trying to crawl it up in second gear because, you know, big things. Alright, here we go. The reason the audio got cut is the children are very noisy indeed. So I am the audio. Alright, I'm going to do second gear. You ready?
And he made it. Good job, Jimmy. Woo!
Made it.
Alright, here is Zacky's attempt. Go, baby!
Beep, 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 beep. Do you hate me yet? Beep, beep, beep. Run, bah! Run, As you saw, he gave it a good bloody go. So now we're just going to back up and we're going to hit a new line. He just needs a bit more flex. Poor thing's just flexing out right where he needs it. Alright, I got a new line. Over there. Alrighty. Surfy should just... Oh, there's another one here. Surfy should just crawl this like it has before. I don't expect anything hard. Yep, that's what I expected. Just straight up it. And then we cross over to this track. And then we go up this hill. Just walks. Oh, that was bad. We flexed out then, and then I felt it grab. Sick. Attempts number, I don't know. definitely more speed. Come on, baby, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yoo! Now go right. And in the Nab's credit, it does have a locker in the rear. But it is on stock factory's tyres. Oh, 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 not bad. Whoo! Oh, oh, he made it. Come on, big yella. Oh, 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 big wheel lift. Big wheel lift. This is not bad flex for a stocker. Oh, pretty well. Yeah, that last bit, it's lifting that one. Come on, get, oh, he got through it, yoo! Alright, hopefully they don't get upset at me for taking them down this. Good vibrations! Holy shit. I'm hoping this doesn't overly flex Moyle's rig. Oh! Let's get that fucking in first gear. Hopefully this doesn't overly flex Moyle's rig and make him roll down. Oh, I just hit my head. I don't know why the headlight keeps going out. That's somewhat troubling. Let's just turn him off. Oh, let's turn him back on. You go. Uh-oh. Ah, there we go. That was fucking a bit fucking rude. How you going? Holy, I didn't swear, not me. There's another burnout car here. What do you mean, cuzzy? Was that some mud, cuz? Ooh. I wouldn't really call it like hard mud. Uh-huh. And now they're going to go there. Hopefully alright. Nice and slow, mate. Nice and slow. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, today's video day. You're going to go there. And then go left just here. See if she can do it. It shows Shan up in Big Turtle. Turtle snapped an axle right there. Oh shit. You're gonna need to give it to it, but be careful. Shan fucking did an axle on this. Oh! Like nothing! Shan, you're a shit wheeler. Oh, we got another one. Oots. Nice. Yeah, it'll just climb that, surely. Then left. Will it do it? Will the locker pull him up? Oh, flexing it. Got them little tyres slipping. Oh, no worries. I'm kidding. I'm just like crawling this. This thing flexes like nothing. I'm like, oh, get out of me road, I want to go that way. As you can hear, the clip got originally cut because the little peoples are very loud. And like nothing, like every time. And that's some
And
big
that was
holes.
Jimmy.
And I'm only on 33s. That surf, incredible vehicle. Alrighty, well, we're on the way back out of the trails. I'm going to call that a raging success. My power steering still works, my steering box is still attached, and my mates and I had some fun, so that's awesome. Thanks so much for watching again, guys. That's bloody awesome, and thank you all my friends who helped with the recording content. Please, everybody, please like, subscribe if you're not already. Like, come on. And yeah, have an awesome rest of your day. I love you all so much. See you later.